Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this video, I'm going to walk through exactly what you get with us when you enroll to get business credit and financing for your business, even walk through our partner program if you're interested in offering business credit and financing as a service. So what you're looking at right here is called our Business Finance Suite. Now, the Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today because it combines two very important aspects of getting money for your business: business credit building and the ability to give you business loans. So let's start with business credit building, and let me walk you through and show you how our business credit builder makes it easy for you to get credit for your business EIN number that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. So if you're not familiar with business credit, that's okay. About 90% of the population isn't. And to give you an idea of what business credit is where you're obtaining credit for your business EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. This is credit that doesn't require a personal credit check or a personal guarantee for approval. With business credit, there are also no cash flow or collateral requirements. So even when you don't have what you need to qualify for a bank loan, you can still get business credit. Even as a startup, you're able to access the high limit revolving credit cards that we're going to walk through as I walk you through the business credit builder. So as you can see, this is a completely customized user experience, meaning if you, for example, have a business name, you can simply click yes, you do, enter your business name, and move on to the next step. But if you don't have a business name, you can click no and receive all the training you need to set up your business correctly. You can search the Secretary of State records in your state to see if the name you want's available. You can even search that name to make sure that it's not on a restricted industry list, or it won't indicate that you're on a restricted industry list. Our goal here with the Business Credit Builder is to help you get automated approvals for high limit credit cards with limits of $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. And in order to do that, we walk you through step one, where we walk you through all aspects of setting up your business credibility. So when we're talking about your business name, one of the things that's important is to make sure that you're not on a restricted industry list. And there are other things important as well, which is why there's two videos that walk you through everything you need to know to set up your business entity and your business name correctly. Now, one of the nice things about the Finance Suite is that you can navigate the experience in English or Spanish. So by coming down here and clicking English to Espanol, you can easily change your entire experience in one click. Now, as you can see, everything's in Spanish, and with the closed captions turned on, even the videos have Spanish translation text overlays. So that means that you can walk through the entire experience, build your business credit, get financing all through the experience in English or Spanish, and you also can have your sales team and you navigate through the experience of offering business credit and financing as a service and do so in Spanish as well. So as we navigate through step one, we walk through and help you set up your business name correctly. We help you overcome the pitfalls of setting up your business address. For example, you might not know that if you select certain type of addresses, it will automatically get you denied when you try to apply for credit and loans. So through this step, we walk through and make sure that you meet the requirements you need to be able to get approved. We help you get up your entity set up, your phone number set up. We even help you get listed with 411. You can't go to 411 direct to get your number listed. This is why credit issuers and lenders look at it so much, because they want to make sure that you have a legitimate, credible business. But in the Finance Suite, and by selecting right here that you want us to submit your phone number to 411, we'll submit your number for you. Now, we use a service called List Yourself. If you were to go to List Yourself directly, it's about $30 a month or about $360 a year for the same service that you are provided through the actual Finance Suite. So in step one, we're going through the lender and credit issuer's secret set of standards, their secret formula of requirements that you must meet to get approved. We're helping you set up the entity, the phone number, your website and email, getting your EIN set up, going you through licensing requirements. Even your bank and merchant account, we help you get set up in step one. Once we've set up your business credibly, then we move right to step two and actually help you check to see if you're set up with all three credit reporting agencies. It's very important to build business credit with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian versus just one of the reporting agencies. It's as important as you building all three of your consumer credit reports instead of doing so with just one bureau. So we help you go through and do a quick check with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian to see if you're set up. We even help you through the process of getting your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet, even going through and activating your credit profile. That's a service that Dun & Bradstreet charges about $1,500 for. To add trade lines to your credit report, which we will show you here in step 3 how to do, to get your DUNS number set up, to activate your credit profile. Those are things that we help you do right here in this step. We also help you do a check with Experian and Equifax to see if you're set up as well. This is very important. With Equifax and Experian, they can populate a credit report for you even if they just have basic demographic information. So let's say you filed your annual reports with the Secretary of State, and in doing so, you already have information that you've given to your Secretary of State that's then given the information to the reporting agencies, or the reporting agencies that obtain it. They can populate a credit report and give you a failing business credit score just because they know you exist. So unlike with consumer credit, where you have to have credit to get a score, in the business credit scoring world, if they even know you exist, you could be given a bad and failing score that could prevent you from getting the credit and loans you want to obtain. So we help you navigate through and do a quick search with Experian, with Equifax, and with D&B. You can see if you have credit reporting with any of the 3 reporting agencies. You can also monitor your Experian data ongoing through our Experian interface. Just by typing in your company's information, you'll see immediately if they have a record of your business. And once you click, you'll be able to monitor things such as how many trade lines you have. Have they given you a credit score? Do you have a Profile Plus set up with Experian already? If you do, then you definitely know you want to pull your Experian credit reports to see what's being reported. The also nice thing about this interface is at absolutely no cost, you can monitor your Experian building in real time, because business credit building is about how many trade lines you obtain, and the more trade lines you obtain, the more credit becomes available to you. Well, with this Experian interface, you can actually save about $600 because you don't need to pay credit monitoring, because you can track in real time how many trade lines you have. So in step 2, we're helping you get set up with all 3 reporting agencies to see if you have reports now, get your DUNS number set up with Dun & Bradstreet, and do the initial things with the credit bureaus that you need to do to start building your business credit. In step 3, we help start getting you real access to revolving credit. So this is credit that requires no personal guarantee or personal credit check for approval, and it reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So this is credit you can get even as a startup, and once you obtain it, it will report on your business credit reports as trade lines, giving you the initial credit that you need and the initial profile and score that you need to start getting high limit revolving credit card accounts. But it's not just that the Finance Suite gives you access to more sources than you're going to find anywhere else. It's the information for each source provided that gives it so much value to you. We tell you exactly the reporting agencies that accounts report to. So you can build your credit with D&B, Equifax, and Experian. And this is also important because in order to move from one tier of credit to the next, as you'll see, it's based on how many payment experiences you have. Well, a payment experience is the reporting of one account to the reporting agencies. So by seeing if an account just reports to D&B, or D&B and Experian, or D&B and Experian and Equifax, you can see how many payment experiences you gain from obtaining that one account. We give you simple instructions to come in and know exactly what to do to apply. You can even, in most cases, apply in one click. And we even teach you exactly what is needed to get approved. These are the actual unpublished, unwritten guidelines that each credit issuer has. So these are things that you're not going to find on their website. But what's nice about this is exactly what it takes to get approved. So this way, we set up a scenario where you just can't fail. We tier out the credit, teaching you exactly what to apply for. We gray out accounts that you shouldn't apply for because you don't have enough trade lines to get approved. We even map out the underwriting guidelines for each individual source that we constantly keep up to date, so you'll know that you can get approved before you even apply. Once you come in and get some initial counts here in step 3, then they start reporting on your business credit reports. So the next thing we do is help you monitor your business credit. Now, there's a lot of things you might not know about your credit reports and scores. For example, with business credit reports, the creditor name doesn't even show on the report. Only a category does. Credit reports have sometimes 3, 4, or 5 scores. So to help inform and educate you along the way, we teach you how to read your Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax business credit accounts with actual live training, or I should say with video training along the way. So you're able to come in and be able to track and see what exactly is on your business credit reports, what scores are on your business credit reports, how your scores are calculated, and more. So through the video training, you're able to come through and learn everything you need to learn about navigating your business credit reports and scores. So you'll know how your scores and reports work, and gives you a greater ability to control them as you're growing them. You can even come in this step and actually access credit monitoring. Now, you can access credit monitoring direct with the credit reporting agencies. We also have an integration directly in the Finance Suite that's powered by that gives you the ability to come in and access your Experian and your Dun & Bradstreet credit report. With this NAV-powered integration, you can monitor everything you need to see on your Experian and Dun & Bradstreet credit reports. You can see your credit score, your scores affecting or the factors affecting your actual credit score, what's changed, statistics with your credit score. You can come in and get access to alerts. So this way, as you're adding accounts and they start to report on your Experian or Dun & Bradstreet credit reports, you can even receive email alerts along the way. You can see all the details from your credit report, your business information, okay, the factors influencing your credit score, days beyond terms, your trade line information, judgment, public record information, lien information, and all of your trade account data, UCC filing, and more is all available through Experian and Dun & Bradstreet through this NAV-powered integration. Again, you can see the factors affecting your score with Dun & Bradstreet and Experian along the way. So you get access to your alerts, your report details, your score factors with both Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, so you can gain access to full credit monitoring as you're building your business credit, and do so at a fraction of what you'll spend if you're trying to go out and obtain your own business credit reports. As a matter of fact, this can save you over $2,000 from obtaining the actual full business credit reports if you went to all the reporting agencies, because you have everything you need to be able to build your business credit at a fraction of the investment. Now that you have some initial accounts reporting on your business credit reports and you have the ability to monitor that, then in step 5, we start helping you obtain more and more usable credit. Again, step 4, step 3, step 5, 6, 7, these are all tiers of credit, so you'll know which accounts you can apply for and which ones you can't. So in this example, you can see the accounts that are grayed out because I don't yet have enough trade lines reporting. And to give you another example, when accounts are reporting and you do have enough, then you'll actually see them highlighted, so you'll know that these are ones you can get approved for. Now, the Finance Suite has the greatest amount of revolving credit sources you're going to find anywhere, all available without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. You're able to get office supplies at places like Office Depot and Staples, Best Buy, Shell, Tractor Supply. So, for example, if gas cards and fleet cards and fuel cards are important, we have a lot of those. Even things that you may not be able to buy at individual stores, we have places like Walmart, Amazon, Costco, and Sam's Club. This is important because if you're confident you can grow your business and you just need the money to do so, and especially when you can't get a business loan, well then we're getting high limit credit cards here of $10, $20, $30, $40,000, even $50,000 individual limit accounts at all the places that will sell the things that you need to buy. You can get the office supplies, you can get the furniture, you can get the gas and auto vehicle repairs. All of those things are available through these high limit accounts. If you need construction supplies, you have Lowe's, you have Home Depot. There are places like Sears and gas cards at almost every major retail gas location. So you're able to, if you really map out how much money you need to grow your business and the items that you need this money for, you'll find that being able to get auto vehicle financing for your vehicle and for a fleet of vehicles, or getting your computers, or accessing just Visa cards and MasterCards that you can use at multiple locations, the same as fleet credit cards, you have everything you need to be able to get the money you need to grow your business. So let's say, for example, that you need equipment or inventory. Well, I'm going to show you another way to get that. But you can also use cash credit through these sources. You can even use the Visa card, the MasterCard, the cash credit that's available to even buy things like advertising and marketing and things that are related to customer acquisition. So almost everything you need money-wise to fund your business, you're able to come in through the Finance Suite and access high-limit revolving credit card accounts to do the things that you need to do. There's even in this section different types of loans, account receivable financing, things like that are also available. So you can purchase equipment, you can purchase furniture. You're able to get cell phones set up with places like AT&T and Sprint and T-Mobile. You're able to come in and get, PayPal credit, or even access Fundbox, which is a great way to get a credit line even if you don't have good credit. As a matter of fact, there's not even a credit check for a credit line available through Fundbox. So everything you need to fund your business, you're able to get through the Business Credit Builder through high-limit revolving credit card accounts. Now, let's say that you want a business loan. Well, by coming to Finance My Business, we also open up every legitimate type of business financing that's available today. Look, if you can qualify for a conventional bank SBA loan, we can help you secure that right through the Finance Suite. But if you can't, well, then we have all types of alternative lenders that'll help you get money based on your business strength. So let's say, for example, that your business strength is that you have consistent revenue of $10,000 a month or more. Well, then you can come right here to learn more about revenue financing, where you can get loans within 72 hours or less with only a quick bank statement review. Or maybe your strength is that you actually have good personal credit. Well, then we have a program where you can secure up to $150,000 in unsecured financing through business credit cards that actually help you build your business credit report. So these are actual credit lines and credit cards that report to the business credit reporting agencies, not affecting your consumer credit, where you can get $50, $100, even $150,000 to fund your business, even as a startup, with consumer credit being your strength. Or maybe your strength is that you have or you need some type of collateral. So let's say you own equipment, or you own inventory or commercial real estate, or maybe 401k or securities or stocks or bonds, or maybe you have commercial vehicles, or maybe you want to do residential house flipping. Well, we have financing for all those things. So for example, we have financing where you can obtain inventory or obtain equipment, or even borrow against the equipment or inventory that you have and get low interest rate loans and low interest rate credit lines as well. We even deal with private equity financing and other kinds of private money financing where we can do 10, 20, even 30-year loan terms with loan amounts of $500, $1 million, even $15 and $30 million loan amounts. So no matter what your scenario, maybe you just need that $5,000 or $10,000 loan to get your business off the ground. We have solutions. And as you grow the business and possibly build a 7, 8, or 9-figure business, we even have financing that can help you along the way as well. This is why the Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today. It combines two very important aspects. One, it helps you through every aspect of building your business credit. This gives you a way to get business financing when you absolutely cannot qualify for any kind of conventional or alternative bank loan. But business credit also helps you get the best rates and terms on the financing you secure. So let's say you can qualify for a bank loan. Well, your business credit quality will determine if you get approved or denied, how much you'll get approved for, and the rates and terms you'll pay. So through building your business credit, you can get money when you can't get money at a bank. You can also get the best terms on bank financing by building your business credit. If you can qualify for a business loan because you have a strength such as cash flow, consumer credit, or collateral, then in one click you can learn more. You can even click and apply. And what's nice is that you're not alone through this process. Our team of business credit advisors will help you each step of the way. You're able to come here down at the bottom right through live chat, email us, phone call, or place a phone call and talk to us on the phone. But we're also reaching out and coaching you along the way. So we're not just customer support that's there to help you if you have questions and reach out to us. We're proactively reaching out to you to help coach you through the process. What we found about business credit building is that your success will substantially increase if you have someone to hold your hand and help you through the process. And that's exactly what our business credit advising team does. And they speak both English and Spanish. But we also have a business financing team that will help map out a business credit blueprint to determine all of the business financing options that you have, and even map out a plan to get you more financing in the future. So when it comes to needing money for your business, the Finance Suite is the most comprehensive solution because it has solutions even when you can't qualify for a bank loan, and business credit that helps you get the best terms, as well as tie in with every legitimate type of business loan that's out there on the market today to help you get the most amount of financing at the best terms.